Good morning, South Florida. I'm CBS 4 meteorologist Lissette Gonzalez with your tropics update. And Hurricane Maria has left Puerto Rico without power. It is just devastating to see the images coming out of that island and the destruction left behind, and still dealing with some torrential rain across parts of Puerto Rico, although the eye of Maria has moved away and is now making its closest approach to the northeast coast of Dominican Republic, which is currently getting battered with some very heavy rain and gusty, damaging winds. It is moving to the northwest at 9 miles per hour, Category 3, max sustained winds of 115 miles per hour, and forecast to head near or just across the eastern portions of Turks and Caicos later today. And then by tomorrow, it'll start to take that turn to the north and likely stay to the east of the Bahamas and east of Florida as we head into the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. By Monday, it weakens to a Category 2. By Tuesday, a Category 1, which could be veering a little bit more to the northeast. So right now we're seeing that cone is close to Bermuda, it's close to the Carolina coast. Folks from the Carolina coast up through the mid-Atlantic northeast will certainly have to keep an eye on Hurricane Maria. Again, you can still see those outer rain bands pounding portions of Puerto Rico and also Dominican Republic, where we could see some life-threatening flash floods and mudslides. So here are the current models in agreement that Maria will move northwest and then take a turn to the north as we head into the weekend. But then what happens once we get into early to middle of next week? A lot of different scenarios can play out. Some models moving Maria more near Bermuda, while some models keep Maria just offshore of the mid-Atlantic, northeast New England coastlines. It's still too soon to say. However, could be taking a similar path as Jose. So hurricane warning is in place for the northern coast of Dominican Republic, tropical storm warnings elsewhere there. Turks and Caicos, southeast Bahamas under hurricane warning. Central Bahamas under a tropical storm watch. And as we take a look at the rainfall potential, some areas in Puerto Rico, when all is said and done, could see 12 to 18 inches of rain, and isolated areas up to 35 inches or more. And in Dominican Republic, we could also see anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of rain as we head throughout the next 24 hours. So looking at the latest satellite of the tropical storm Jose, just offshore near the New England coastline, it is producing heavy rain and gusty winds here. And it's just basically stationary at this point, just hanging out there, and will continue to lead to rough surf rip currents up and down the east coast. But Jose is also going to lead to the possibility of some coastal flooding, beach erosion, and we're seeing the potential for some rain across parts of Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and parts of Massachusetts and Rhode Island, and New York City could even also see some heavy rain and gusty winds. Tropical storm warnings issued for some of those areas. You can check in on the weather and our tropics updates right here on CBSMiami.com.